Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix a communication error has occurred, error code 1001 or error code 1009 in Pokemon Champions game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to check your date, time and time zone settings. Now often error codes appear because your smartphone's time is out of sync with your physical location. So go to your mobile device settings. Navigate to general management if you are on Android, or navigate to date and time if you are on iOS devices such as iPhone and iPad. Now make sure both automatic date and time and automatic time zone are toggled on, and then check if your problem is solved or not. Now if errors persist, then try changing your time zone to a default one like US Canada or your standard local time zone, and then restart the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then follow the second fix. Second fix is to adjust the device language. For some players, device-specific languages interact strangely with the game servers, resulting in error 1001. So go to device settings, general management language, and set your primary language to English, for example English US or English UK. Then restart your phone. Then open the Pokemon Champions app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then follow the detailed guide from this video. I have provided this link in my video description. Click on this video link and follow the other fixes mentioned in this video. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve a communication error has occurred, error code 1001 or error code 1009 in Pokemon Champions game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.